There was piece of advice that I consider to be the most effective I ever received, and it has helped me to manage stress much better. The tip is simple: focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. This advice was given to me by a mentor during a particularly challenging period in my life, when I was juggling multiple responsibilities, both professional and personally. I was overwhelmed and felt like I was always struggling to stay ahead, but no matter how hard I tried, there was always something outside my control. So, what problem does this tip solve? Well, it addresses stress and the feeling of being out of control, which can be incredibly overwhelming. It's very easy to fall into the trap of trying to manage everything, even the things that are outside our influence. The problem is that when we try to control everything, we end up spreading ourselves too thin, which only increases anxiety and frustration. What you need to do is simple, but not always easy. Identify what is within your control and focus your energy there. For example, I realized that I couldn't control the decision other people made, but I could control how I respond to them. By shifting my focus, I found that many situations became less stressful as I stopped worrying about things that had no impact on me. Now, how well does this tip work? I can say without doubt that it works extremely well. By letting go the urge to control outcome, I became more productive and less anxious. The tip doesn't mean that everything becomes perfect, but it means that the energy is focused where it can actually make a difference. It's amazing how liberating it feels to stop wasting time and mental energy on things you can change. In fact, it can even be seen as a passive strategy because the active step involves focusing on things that can be uncontrolled, while the rest should be allowed to unfold naturally without additional stress. This shift is in perspective in a way allows things to resolve without your constant intervention. I would highly recommend this tip to anyone who finds themselves getting overwhelmed or anxious about circumstances that feel out of their hands. It's a subtle change in mindset, but it can make a huge difference in the end. It's not about how much you do, but about how much you allow yourself to release in order to give your full attention to the things that truly matter. Thank you.